Look what I got in the mail. Ooh, nice. Let's unbox it. So before we go any further, I would like to know where my audience is watching from. Please let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. Let's continue. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah, the Pavo series. And what's this? Is this batteries? I think so. Oh yeah, nice. Lava, 550 milliampere, like that. Very nice. 3S. And here is O4 air unit bracket. Yeah, this is the canopy. Before I open it, I will mention everything I say in this video is my honest opinion. Even if this is a collaboration with BetaFPV. I actually bought the first version of the Pavo20 Pro with my own money. This is the second version and I really liked it. You can see it in the other video here. I can put a link in the description. So I think I like this too. Let's see if we can get it open. Open! Not good. No, very bad. Come on. Yeah, nice. Oh, BetaFPV sticker. No, it's not a sticker. It's orders and product support. Yeah, well, we don't need that. I'm a man. I don't need any support or nothing like that. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I love it. I love it already. Look at this beauty. Oh. So, what do we got in the box? The drone with the O4 Pro air unit. Looks like that. And a tool, Allen key to get the props replaced if you destroy the original props. LED strip. Here are some other antennas also. I don't know if that's for if you have the O4 Lite version. And here are some spare props and the adapter to plug it into Betaflight. And there you go. Boom. Very beautiful. Look at this beauty. It is so beautiful. I am going to plug it into Betaflight. Then I will show you how to set it up there and connect the DJI Goggles 3 and the FPV Controller 3. And then we will go out for a test flight, or many test flights. So I'm really excited for this one. And I'm so happy that BetaFPV wanted to do collaboration with me. And grateful to you guys that watch these videos. I've been doing YouTube for about 6 months, a little bit more regularly. I have to say that I have good progress. Yeah, good progress. I hope you stick till the end. O4 air unit bracket. Well, is this if you have the light version? Yeah, probably it is. Yeah, this is for the light. So this bracket is for the light version. And here is the O4 light version. So if you have the light version and you want it here, you just put it here and like this in here. Then you have the light version, just like this. Yeah. So what's the difference between these two? The version 1 and the version 2. At least that's one difference, that you can fit the O4 Lite to this version 2. The frame is also different. The motors seems to be the same and the props is the same. The LED strip is different. Install the LEDs. Easy as that to disassemble the air unit. It takes a few seconds. Well, here you can see the frame difference. The LED lights is going around here. Where should I put this? Let's take off these ducts. It's only 4 screws here. the ducts are also a little bit different mountings here. But yeah, why I'm doing this, I wonder where to put this controller for the LEDs. Here is the cable to it. Here. I'm not sure how it should be installed, but I am now doing it like this. I take the cable from there, through here and up here. Can you see it? There. And then I will install this board between these vibration dampers. You put it in here between, like that. Let me know if you know a better way, or then you just tape the strip here around. Then I want to put a zip tie here that holds this together, and try to get the cable nice here so it don't get in between the props here, because that's not nice. Like that. Let's try to plug the battery. Ooh, nice. Oh, how beautiful. Yeah, well, that I have to say, one flaw here. Maybe I can show it. Yeah, I can show it on this. These pads, battery pads here. You have to check that they are not loose, because on this version 1 they were loose, and actually it was loose on this one also. When I took it from the box there, it was already loose, so you have to check, push them back there. Well, let's try to change these lights here. What happens? Okay, here you can adjust how bright they are, so it's different modes here. Okay, and here you can adjust the color. Yeah, nice. Yeah, many different colors and different modes. Here is the adapter. Plug it in the back here. There, where the power lead comes out. Just like that. Let me show you. Actually, I didn't do any changes at all. All these settings were set up already. Here you can check this. VTX MSP plus D on the URT4. Serial RX URT5. Configuration. There the air mode was enabled. Maximum arm angle 180 degrees. Then you can arm it when it's tilted also. What else? Yeah. Well, of course the modes I had to put. Here is how I have it set up on the DJI FPV Controller 3. So arm, AUX 2, angle mode AUX 1, horizon AUX 1, beeper AUX 3, LED low AUX 5. I don't know what this LED low is. I think it's the LED lights. And flip over after crash. The turtle mode is AUX 4. Yeah, there are my modes. And then I just set up the rates. And that's it. Then you have to activate the air unit with the DJI Assistance app. And then it should be ready to go. I put a link in the description to a video where I bind the goggles and the controller with the air unit. So if you need help with that, please check that video. Let's go outside and test it. There is a lot of fog today. Look at this. I'll go over there and fly from there. Plug the battery. Very nice. I think I will stick with these colors now. Put the white balance to 6,900. That looks good, yeah. I will actually go over there so I get a better signal because I'm flying on this side for the most, I think. Yeah, so let's try to take off from here and see what happens. It's quite loud. But it's nice, very nice with this fog. Oh my god, it's looking really beautiful here. Let's come in here, make a turn here and out again. Nice. Oh. Well, this drone is really nice. I like it. You can basically fly wherever you want with this because it's under 250 grams. Yeah, very nice. Oh, now I can see some water on the lens here. Try to come here a little bit closer. Whoa! Very nice. Let's change the blinking mode. Remember what button it was. Well, that's looking nice. This is also quite nice. And then you can change the colors here on the other button when you push. What voltage does it show now? 11.6. Yeah, I don't have the average cell voltage in the OSD. I have to put that there. Pavo20 Pro version 2. Nice. Maybe that would be a nice thumbnail shot. Acro mode. Let's go. Whoa. Never disarm, they say. Try to land on the bag. Oh, almost. Not so good. I think I will change the location now. I don't want to fly for so long time because there is so much fog now and it gets wet. I don't want to destroy it. So the answer to the question, if I could only have one drone, would this be it? Honestly, it might be, because it's so small, easy to take with you, and under 250 grams, so you can basically fly everywhere you want with it, and has a good amount of power. It's safe when it got these prop guards. It's a really good drone for beginners. Let's get it in the air one more time. This is looking nice here. It's ice here. Look how beautiful. Nice. Make a turn here with the car. It might be a little bit overexposed now with the snow here, but hope it's not so bad. Let's go here. Oh, beautiful. This ice is looking so good. Yeah, well, beautiful. I like it, I like it. Really much like it. Well, you can feel the wind quite good if you compare to the 5-inch drone or the 3.5-inch. But it handles the wind really good also. I have in the other video with the version 1 I'm flying in quite strong wind and it wasn't any problem at all. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you're a beginner or not a beginner, so I really recommend this drone. If you want to fly inside, this is good for that also. It's a nice small Cinewhoop drone. Would you like to have this drone? Let me know in the comments. It's getting really wet. What drone would you like to have if you could only choose one? I put the link to the drone in the descriptions.